Now that fits in there nicely like that. That's a nice waist actually. It's got some balls to it. Nice. It's going to fit nicely. Now some of them you get and they're flimsy, but that's nice and bit of grunt. It's got a bit of grunt to it. Right, some more full tiles. It's starting to look good, people. It's starting to look good. You see how you always length of your tile to the length of the bathroom? You never see the grain on a tree going across, do you? It's always going lengthways. That is what or how you should think when you're doing a bathroom. The grain, if there's grain in a tile, it's always going lengthways, like a tree. Now I'll probably fit the full tiles and leave these cuts for when I'm doing the floor. I hate being squeezed in and fiddly tiddling at it. I always wait when I can walk on my tiles way better. Nice, Freddy. Nice. Right, I'll just duck outside and cut this cut. See how I don't spread my glue? When I come back, I spread my glue. I don't spread it out now, then go and cut my tile and then come back and put it down. No. Everything's too hot in Australia, and the glue can skin too easily, so you always spread your glue, put down your tile straight away. That is why I put glue on my tile doing the walls, because you're gluing the tile and you bang it on your wall straight away. All this shit of spreading your wall and then you're fluffing around putting the tiles on, nah. See you soon. Pulling it back to the door now. I'll put that waste in and I'll show you how I do my wastes to people while we're here. Where's my rubber hammer? Oh, look at that. Is that going to fit? Bit tight. This wall is not quite parallel with that wall. You get that, the door, with the door here, it breaks it up. You always go off the longest wall. Slap a clip in. Don't worry about that glue, you get it tomorrow. when it's still fresh or green. See that corner? I just need a little bit in the corner, like that. But don't forget your clips. Chris, you fool, you nearly forgot your clips. All good. See that bit of glue there? It just takes up my corner. Nice. Does it fit now? I see it's getting it slightly. It's probably about 7mm out of parallel, this bathroom, but you'll never notice it once it's done. Right, where are some more clips? This is a bit of a pain. They're in 100 clip bags, but no biggie. That's good. Now what I'll be doing across there is putting in the water stop. So I'll go and cut that now in preparation.